Today I am planting all my flowers. And I don't like using gloves. I will if I have to, but I honestly just like the feel of the soil. Okay, my very first packet of seeds are the Aster King Size Apricot. And then I'm just sprinkling a little layer on top just to hold the seeds in place. So there is my label, and here we are, all done. All the plants are inside, the little seedlings are all planted. I put all the labels on, and now I'm just keeping the top of the soil moist with a mister spray.